Okay guys, so I'm gonna try something unique and famous here in Nepal. They call it Juju Dhau. It's gonna be my first time ever. They said it's made from the curd. I don't know much more contain inside, but let me test. Then I will tell you. This how it look. Looking like ice cream. Yeah. First bite.
Wow!
Don't keep camera close, just keep it like that. Hold it. It's going well, guys. Let me first enjoy, then I'll be back to you here. Okay guys, it tastes so nice. I don't know how to compare it with what or how to say it, but it's just like, okay, it's a curd. It's a curd. Is it local made?
Yeah, local.
Local only, right? Yeah. So it's so thick and so nice. It's not that much sweet, and I just feel like I'm tasting This is yogurt only.
Yeah, yogurt.
Yogurt, right? This is yogurt, but it's made from the curd, right?
It's a Nepali yogurt.
It's a Nepali style, guys. This is so different and so tasty.
It's called Juju Dhau. See, this one.
It's not that sour, guys. It's not that sour. This is Nepali local ice cream. I love it, guys. It's so nice. So nice. You can try it once you come to Nepal. Thank you. Ramrosha. I just finished my Juju Dhau, guys. Out of 10, I give it 9. It's so nice. Yeah, what's up? Good. Yes.
I know. DJ.
What is this?
This is our culture.
What is the culture name?
Culture.
Huh? You don't know your culture? Tell me about your culture. Huh? Tell me something. You're from? You're from where?
From Nepal.
Just say something. What's going on? Huh?
They are dance performing a culture.
They are this dance? No, it's okay. No need.
That no.
This is local dance about which? Nepali dance, newari dance, what dance? Ah, you say like that, huh?
You can explain.
No, it's okay. We don't need
Bola no bola baja.
They are trying to catch fish.
that. Fish?
They are there is a fish in it.
Where is the fish?
Artificial fish. Just pretended that is fish.
They say this is Newari tradition or Newari culture, guys. I don't know much about that, but you can tell me, guys. Let me know much more about that. Yeah.